So it's beautiful fall, one of my favorite seasons. And it's chilly, get to wear a hoodie. You know, all the show of summer is gone. The farm is quieted down a little bit. So we're not producing as many crops, there's not as much work, you know, kind of almost prepared for winter. So it's a good time to have some friends over, cook some of the stuff we've been working on all summer. Cook some vegetables and just make a big party out of it. Why not? You know, I like to entertain, so it's nice to get up early and get things ready so that we can just have a blast. All right, so I'm gonna go, we're gonna check out the setup in front of the barn. I'm gonna show you my new table I just made. So it's the revealing of this new table. It's just made from scraps from the barn renovation. So you can see it over here. So the wood for it cost me $0, because all of this was just scrap that was inside the barn. All of this was flooring above the animal pens. I think they were really worried about falling through, and we had to take down a couple of beams so that we could get into the bathroom and stuff. And so those are all from that. So every piece is from the barn. And I think we can get everyone to fit at one table. All right, so I have the table, have the oven and wood set up. What I gotta go get is I gotta get the grill because I'm gonna make some brisket, and I gotta get that started now so I can cook it all day. I'm gonna move this sink, and the grill is massive, so I'm gonna bust out the tractor for that, haul it back up here. Get a fire started, get some prep going. There's a lot of chopping to be done, some harvesting to be done, so that we're ready to go when everyone gets here. A lot easier than how we brought it over, right? I wasn't sure if they would lift it, but it lifted it no problem, right? So we got the barbecue moved, which weighs, I don't know, I'd say 1,800 pounds almost. And then there's this sink, which I got secondhand. It's obviously secondhand because it's like a 100-year-old farm sink. And the thing weighs couple hundred pounds at least. Then my buddy Carson, he built this base which probably weighs just as much as the sink, and I love the sink, but moving it around, forget it. So I have to move it around with a tractor and get it just where I want it so that I could have an outdoor sink to be able to cook with. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to get these two in there.